negative. And this will be it. To get it out of the way, so it's a choke to clear out. We'll take the diaphragm. Evinrude V490. What I'm going to be doing is changing the fuel diaphragm. So I'll be removing the 3 bolts right here. So I had to remove the air intake cover here so that I can make room for this to slide out. The green hose, black hose with the black tightener. Now that I've taken it apart, I need to use my torque send bit, and I'm going to take this off. This is the side where the gas is. I'm having some leakage up here, so I'm assuming fluid. So I assume gas is getting through the diaphragm and pushing up through here. So I will take this apart and we'll see. As I'm removing these last screws, there's some tension here from the spring that's in there. Man, this doesn't look so bad, but I'll check it out. So I took this cover off. Inside here, there's a part of the diaphragm that had gotten sucked into the fuel line here too. I took the diaphragm apart. There was another piece of black plastic that came off. My old diaphragm, you can see here, it's cracked and peeling up. So, and that crack goes all the way around the whole edge of the diaphragm. I got a new diaphragm here, and these are the parts. So I got the diaphragm, we got a washer, we have a pin. So that's tight. Lubricate this with some oil. After doing that, we'll take the diaphragm, seat it in, put the spring on, line this up, and we'll screw this down. I'm going to turn the camera off to do that. And then we'll work with the other side here. So real quick, I'm going to lubricate this here, so hopefully this doesn't dry out and crack. And this is that original part. So now after lubricating it, I've taken this washer, the metal washer that we got, fits inside there. And then we have the rubber washer here, which fits over here, and it can be centered. This one's going to come on top here, and we will take our screw, and this is the one with the hex screw on it. This is going to fit inside through there. So we have the whole piece set up, rubber washer, black washer, and our metal washer. After we have that, what we'll do is we'll hold this upside down. And we will spin this. And that's tightened on there now. And last, we'll take this little piston and we'll attach this. Now after I've put the piston on, I had 3 ends facing down. This was coming out at the top. So I'm going to have these 3 coming down. I'll drop that piston inside the hole there. Make sure that I have my rubber washer in here and it's still in there good. I'll push these together. Make sure they're all snug. And there's 8 on this side. And then I have 6 on the other side. We can reinstall this back into the motor. So to put this back on, I'll take this off, reattach the hoses to the fuel pump, reattach it, screw this back on, and we'll be done. Now I have it all installed, put it back on, got the hoses attached.